How to fix this channel can't be displayed because it was used to spread on Telegram on your Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix this channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread issue on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Telegram application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, now tap on the search icon from the top right corner and search for Nice Scram Bot. After that, type in start or send this start message to Nice Scram Bot. Now, it will ask you to log into Nice Scram website. Once you're logged in, there you will have a toggle to turn on these two options that says I'm 18 plus years old and so sensitive content. Once you have turned on this toggle, under this page you will have that green tick mark on next to that. Once you have done that, your problem which says this channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread on Telegram will be solved. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.